What a great selection of sweets in the store! What should I buy? No, I'd rather cook it myself. And for this, we need dark chocolate. I'll take it. Well, here I am, at home. And the chocolate is being sent to the refrigerator. But first, I will take it out of the packaging. Like that. Great. And now, I light the fire in the oven. And put a saucepan on it. Now it is time for chocolate. It is necessary to remove the foil from it. And now break it into small pieces and throw it into a saucepan. Great, it's starting to melt. The main thing is to stir it constantly so that nothing burns. Great, we can remove the pan from the fire. Now I take the flour and pour it into a bowl. And of course, melted butter. Now milk. And a drop of syrup. It is necessary to mix the dough thoroughly so that there are no lumps. Perfect. And here's my cake mold. I'll pour every last drop of dough into it. Well, it is time to bake. Look how the biscuit is rising. Well, it is ready. Carefully remove the mold and cut out the top of the cake. And then I'll divide the rest in half. It's time to collect the cake. First the cream. Then the first cake. Again the cream. And the second cake. I apply a layer of another cream on top. And distribute it evenly. Now we need to cover the sides with it. The main thing is not to spare the cream. The cake should be juicy. And now I will carefully give it a more even shape. It seems not bad. We can start decorating. A bit of colored cream. And smoothing it out again. Look what a beauty it turned out! It's time for liquid chocolate. I'm putting it on top. And it looks very beautiful. Well, smearing it all over. And where without cute multicolored flowers from cream? They will decorate any cake. And I've got a bunch of sugar ornaments here. Now I'm going to make a real artistic composition out of them. Wow! Just look at how beautiful it turned out! Let's see how this cake looks in the cut. I think it turned out just fine. Now I'm going to need flour. Some honey. There we go. Oil. And again, some water. From these ingredients, I'm going to knead the dough. Ready. And here's the biscuit mold. It only remains to pour the dough into it. Great. It's time to send it to bake. It is such a cute process to watch the cake bake. But there's no time for that because I need to make more dough. Flour, honey, sugar, and oil. Everything goes into a bowl. There we go. And now we need to partially knead this dough. And when it's almost ready, I will add some chocolate drops. You have probably already guessed that I'm going to make chocolate cookies now. I put the dough on this board over here and rolling it out with a rolling pin. Now we need to make small cookies out of this huge pancake. I'll cut them out with a special cone. We have 4 identical cookies here. Now I'll put them on a plate and make a bit more. And they're already baking in the oven. Look how the chocolate boils in the dough. It's beautiful. Now, our biscuit. I'll take off the mold, cut off the top, and divide it into 2 equal parts. It's time to collect the cake. As always, first the cream, then the cake, again the cream, and the second cake on top. We need to cover the top with icing and smooth it out to do the same with the sides. It's going to be amazing. Going in with my spatula. Perfect. At the top, I will make 5 cream flowers. And between them, I will put my chocolate cookies. And of course, liquid chocolate. I'll add some drops to the flowers. And then to the base of the cake. Now we need to slightly smear it. We're going to get this cute little pattern. Well, our cake is ready. How do you like this decoration? I think it turned out just fine. It remains to set the table, pour some milk, and cut yourself a piece of cake. Now you can enjoy this delicious dessert. Hello friends! Do you like sweets? I just love it! Let's make a chocolate cake. You can give it to your mom or your favorite toy. My Barbie doll will definitely like it. It's her birthday today. First, let's put the flour in a sieve and stir it with a spoon. That's it. Look! The flour is pouring through the sieve right into the plate. Cool. Do you know what it is? This is a quail egg. One of the smallest in the world. Break it into another, new bowl. Great. Now we're putting sugar, butter, and milk. Wow, beautiful! Now we need to mix everything well. Oh, we forgot about the flour. Here. Come on, come on. We won't leave you. See how everything turns into dough together? Wow. Do you want me to show you a trick? Ta-da! I'll make 3 of such doughs and add edible colors. Red, green, and yellow. Isn't it great? Pouring 3 doughs into 3 different shapes and putting it in the oven. Well done. Let's give it some time. While our dough is being prepared, let's make an awesome chocolate cream from butter, sugar, and of course, sweet syrup. My mouth is just watering. But for now, we still need to be patient and mix. Very good. Just like that. Now I'll add my favorite Nutella. It'll turn out very tasty. And mixing it well. Wow, see how cool the dough rises in the oven. Don't be afraid, it's all right. This means that it'll be ready soon. Wow, I made delicious cupcakes. Which one do you like best? I will use everything. I'll cut out the middle and eat the rest. So far, top, you're no longer needed. Now let's build a tower of 3 colors. And green first. I'll spread Nutella here to glue all the colors together. And now, yellow. What color is left? That's right. Now we're gonna use red. These are colors of the traffic light. Well done. Now I'll decorate the cake with chocolate cream. Look, I twist the cake and smear the cream. On top too. My doll loves chocolate, and me too. I'll do everything exactly to make it beautiful. Wow, but that is not all. And here's the most interesting thing. I'll make some Nutella drops. It's like rain, and it also looks like candies. How do you like this idea? I really like it. And some sprinkles on top. I love decorating cakes with it. It looks amazing. I can't wait to try our magnificent cake soon. Do you want to know what's inside? Let's see. Ta-da! This is a real miracle! It turned out very nice and delicious. Congratulations! Enjoy your meal. We're great fellows. Guys, make sure to try to do this at home. It was super easy, trust me.